Hello everyone. Today I want to kind of do something different and kind of go over some day trading strategies with crypto. And basically, when I started, I watched a couple videos, some trading videos, and uh, I saw a video about a guy, and then I made some adjustments to it, and I plugged it into TradingView, and I saw some, I did my own kind of strategy here, but it's basically using his formula, but I made some adjustments. But basically, what you want to focus on, and I'm just going to cover this brief today. What I'm going to go over, if you go to my communities tab on my channel, I am going to post times when I think would be a good time to come in with a certain crypto. But right now, I just want to show you how often this strategy works. Now, I'm going to go into detail later, but you're going to need two indicators. One of them is optional, which I'm going to go over later. But right now, there's this one indicator here, which I'm going to reveal later, and then of course the RSI, because you can go by a lot with the RSI. And of course, yesterday, while I was off from work, the you could notice that right around here in the bottom, you can notice that the RSI was above the line. Of course, I go to bed, take a nap, and then it's below. I don't do stop loss or anything like that. It's just you know, if I'm ever up to catch it, I'll do it. But if it goes down, it goes down. But anyway, if it goes down, I just accumulate anyway. So if ever I can catch a day trading move, then I'm just going to do it. But I'm going to show you basically the strategy, and there's this blue line here that you got to focus on, and I'll reveal more later. But I think it was yesterday. Let's go by the day. No, let's not do day because I think it was yesterday because all these represent 1 hour. So right here on the bottom, see right here, is when I got into Bitcoin. And that's about when I made my post on my community tab as well. It's hard to do this on my phone, but basically what you want to do with this strategy is you want a green candle to be kissing the blue line here. You don't want it to be underneath it. You don't want it to be underneath it. You want it to be as close to on top of it as it can. So look for a green candle on top of this blue line. If it's kind of hovering over it like this, then that's also good. But the more it's on the other side of the blue line, is good. So what you can tell right here is, if you notice, once it's kissing this blue line here, you'll notice that all these candles are pretty much moving in the same pattern, kind of sideways. And from this point, you can either catch it, just staying sideways, or you could catch it going up. But then, like yesterday, I went to bed and then down it goes. Yeah, because I don't do, like I said, I don't do stop loss. I just wait for, I just see the market and I do it manually. If it's down, it's down. If it's down, I just accumulate more and I wait. Like you see right here, you see a red candle going down. Red candle going down, and you see a big dip right here. So what I've done with this is I backtracked a little bit, and you try to find spots where you see the green candle kind of kissing the blue line. So right here at 39,854, you see it kind of kissing it. So then what happens? The candle, come on phone, candle starts going up. So I don't have my little ruler here. I can't really do this on my phone, but you could tell from that point there to all the way up here, some pretty big gains. So next we find it, and I actually backtracked to like the start of Bitcoin to see how effective this is, and it's pretty accurate. You can pretty much catch a lot of the moments where Bitcoin starts going up, and you can catch a lot of moments where if there's a big bull run up, you can catch it doing it this, but you would have to do it every single day, and you have to keep your eye out on charts. So right here, down here, we see that it is 39,000, and what happens? It's kissing the blue line here, and then it goes up to, what was that? 39,732 to 40,000. So you got some good gains there. Let's backtrack a little bit more. Now, like in situations like this one right here, you see a red candle going down. It's kissing it like the other way, but you see a red candle and boom, it's going down. What I like to find is the green candle kissing the blue line. So let's find a little bit more how it works. Like if you were to get in right here, you would have got some gains for this one up here. You would have seen. Now I don't have my desktop right now, but you could see that would probably be a 1 to 2% right there. So let's just keep on going. Okay, so we see a red candle going down, kissing the blue line. Red candle going down, what happens? Big dip. Big dip happens. So let's find another green candle. Okay, you can see this one right here. It's kissing the blue line. What happens? Goes up a little bit. And then you see another dip down. Red candle kissing the blue line, big dip down. Now, like I said, I did this and I backtracked to pretty much as far as this chart will go. And I thought this pattern is pretty accurate doing it this way. So let's do a couple more. You see green candle right here, kissing the blue line. What happens? It goes up. So all you have to do is you find the green candle kissing the blue line, and you ride that all the way to the top. And you usually you can find maybe 1 to 2% gains doing it this way, because it'll ride that blue line for a while. And if you find a red candle kind of kissing it, it might be a signal that it's about to go down. Just see like right over here. You see a red candle kissing it. What happens? It goes down. So let me find a little bit more examples, because you can backtrack all the way as far as you want to go, and this works pretty effectively. So right here you see the green candle kissing the blue line, and then what happens? Goes up. That looks more to be 1 to 2% right there. So anyway, you guys get the idea. I'm going to be elaborating more on this in a couple days. When I get my computer going, I'll show you guys what the 3 indicators are. I use the RSI here, and I'm going to explain that further. This is a good thing to have as well. Because when I trade, I do 2 different ways, and of course you guys, today you learned the first one, which is find a green candle kissing the blue line and ride it up. And if you see a red candle kissing it, then stay away for a while. It's going to go down, most likely. Anyway, I'll be making a video more in the future. If you guys like this, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.